This is a genius product. So guys, what's better than having one is two. And this product by Parrot Products will allow two monitors on one arm. It can hold screens from 17 inches up to 32 inches and from 1 to 9 kilograms. It also has a direction indicator, cable management, a gas spring, 360 degrees turning, and the other good thing about this particular product is that as I'm holding it right now, it's very, very heavy, which means it's very sturdy. I'm gonna try to open the box and see what's inside. So in the box, we have the user manual. And guys, these are all the different components that you have to use to set up this dual monitor arm. And this item can be found on parrotproducts.co.za, and that's why